Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Xbox controller to the ROG Xbox Ally X quickly with easy pairing steps.
Connect via Bluetooth. Step 1. On your ROG Ally X, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Add Device. Step 2. On your Xbox controller, press and hold the pair button next to the USB port until the Xbox logo starts flashing. Step 3. On the Ally X screen, select Xbox wireless controller from the Bluetooth list. Step 4. Once paired, the Xbox logo light will stay solid. Your controller is now connected. Connect using USB cable. Step 1. Plug your USB-C or USB cable into the controller and the ROG Ally X. Step 2. Wait a few seconds. Windows will auto-detect and install drivers. Step 3. The Xbox logo light will turn on, confirming it's connected and ready to use.